Would you like me to sing to you? Cora, Cora, cried the crow from the bough of the linden tree, I've come to praise your beauty. Won't you open your window for me? Open your window for me. Kind crow, Cora cried, your words, they flatter me, but I'll not open my window, for your eyes are jealous green. Your eyes are jealous green. And the jealous crow cried, Cora, as down the chimney she flew, I'll share these ragged feathers and steal your beauty from you. Mother, mother, Cora cried as she ran from the chimney creel, a crow has caught my ringlets, for my beauty she would steal, my beauty she would steal. Cora, her mother cried, beware of the jealous crow, and ran into her chamber and opened Cora's door, opened her daughter's door. And the jealous crow cried, Cora, and an awful scream was heard. There sat an aged woman, and flew a beautiful bird. Cora, her mother cried, how have you ebony wings? And who's this aged woman, with eyes of jealous green, with eyes of jealous green? Mother, it is the crow with eyes of jealous green. She sought to steal my beauty, but now I've ebony wings, beautiful ebony wings. And the jealous crow cried, Cora, why do you mock me so? You'll always be a beauty, and I a jealous crow. And the jealous crow cried, Cora, why do you mock me so? You'll always be a beauty, and I a jealous crow. Yeah, look how puffy you are. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah.